In this video, I'll show you how to refund an order on Etsy. First, sign into your Etsy account and go to Shop Manager. From there, click on Orders and Shipping. This section shows all of the orders placed in your shop, including completed and pending orders. Next, find the order you want to refund and click on it to open the order details. On the order page, look for the refund option. Click Issue a Refund to begin the process. Now you'll be able to choose whether you want to issue a full refund or a partial refund. Enter the amount you want to refund and review the details carefully. Etsy will also show the total amount that will be returned to the buyer. You can also add a short message to the buyer explaining the reason for the refund. This step is optional but can help maintain good communication with your customer. Once everything looks correct, confirm the refund. Etsy will process the refund and send the money back to the buyer using the original payment method. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.